Hello everyone, my name is Ben, and in this video I'll be talking about errors and support tickets in the pyramid model implementation data system. When an error occurs in the system, it is handled in one of two ways. Either you will be taken to this screen where it tells you that an error has occurred and asks you to submit a support ticket, or a small box will appear in the bottom right telling you that an error occurred. If a small box in the bottom right appears, it means that the error was non-breaking and you should just try to do whatever you were doing again to see if you can get it to work. If you get sent to this page, it means it was a breaking error and you should submit a support ticket. You can submit a support ticket using either of these links. If you keep getting the small box in the bottom right that tells you an error occurred, you should also submit a support ticket. And to submit a support ticket, just click on the link and your information is filled in automatically. Put in your subject and as much of a description as possible. Please include what you were doing at the time when the error occurred, your role, your program, and so on. Just give us as much detail as possible so that we can help you figure out what the problem is and fix it. If you'd like, you can put in a phone number. You can also attach some files, maybe a screenshot of the problem, and then you can click Send Ticket. So I will put in test ticket and test, and I'll press Send. And once it completes, you'll get that message at the top and it will redirect you back to this page. Once you're done, click Return to Main Page and you will be taken back to the home page. The other thing that support tickets are useful for is submitting technical questions. So if you have a question about a form, why something happened the way it did, or a report, just go to the support menu and click Support Ticket, or click one of the links in the page footers. That's about all there is for support tickets and errors. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.